Hello viewers, welcome to Adbandhan YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Shahan Rahman Shoaib with you in this video. Now I am showing you how to make manual rotation of motor with NO and NC switch wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. TPMCB circuit breaker, contactor and overload, contactor 2, DPMCB, motor, stop switch, start switch 2. First phase connection input to TPMCB, second phase connection input to TPMCB, third phase connection input to TPMCB, phase connection input to DPMCB, neutral connection input to DPMCB, phase connection from TPMCB to connect contactor 1 and overload and contactor 2, second phase connection from TPMCB to connect contactor and overload and contactor 2, third phase connection input to contactor 2 and contactor and overload, output connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2, second phase connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2, third phase connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2, three phase connection from overload to connect motor, output connection from DPMCB to connect contactor, output phase connection from DPMCB to connect overload, another connection from contactor to connect start switch 1, 2 and stop switch, another output connection from contactor to connect start switch, again another output connection from contactor to connect contactor 2, output connection from contactor 2 coil to connect contactor 1, again another connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2, output connection to start switch 1, again output connection from overload to connect stop switch, earthing connection input to motor. Now this circuit is ready for you. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.